Good afternoon, everyone. It is Nate G. It is April 4th, Thursday of our spring break week off from DPL. And I just wanted to come on here really quick and just do a quick little session on what's happening in the market. And if you've been trying to trade this week on your own, things have been pretty darn choppy, as you can see by this SPY chart here. Uh, Over the last couple of days, we're up, making new highs right as we roll into April 1st. We're gapping down, we're ripping up, we're rolling over, we're gapping up, and then today we are getting one massive sell off. And a lot of people are panicking right now. A lot of people are concerned. We had a number of Fed chairs talking today. But as you can see, we had worked our way back up here to somewhat test these highs again. This is the all-time high right up here. But we had kind of tested these levels, and then we started our roll, and that's almost a it's a little more than, well, no, it's about a 10-point drop here, roughly in the SPY, which is pretty massive. And one of the things, I mean, we've got the same thing going on in the Qs. So once this happens, every name that we might be in is going to be down, and a lot of these names that we're playing TPS patterns in are going to be broken, right? They're not going to hold up. No TPS pattern is really going to hold up in this kind of a environment where we just get such a massive sell-off within a one-day time period. Just like the dark tickers, I'm expecting that we're going to get a bounce into tomorrow's session. I don't really know how much. The selling really hasn't let off all day, and we're coming into the last half hour of the day. And we really have not seen a bounce. In fact, we've seen continued selling. So while we're most likely stopped out of positions, I took profit on some positions. I also stopped out of other positions as they started to break down into this selling. I'm incredibly light going into tomorrow, and it will be incredibly light probably coming into Monday, looking for some fresh setups. Most of my scans are showing up very small numbers of things that are sitting in squeezes anymore because of this massive pull off. But when there's panic in the market and sell offs like this, we have to look at it under kind of the bigger picture. And if we look here on the bigger picture, right, and this is the daily chart of the Qs. I'll go back to the SPY because that's what I was looking at earlier. And we are just coming in. We've obviously pierced the 21, which hasn't happened in a while. But we'll see what happens into the close. If we can get some buying into the close and get us a close right around the 21, then this uptrend will still be intact, and we'll see what happens over the course of the next couple of days. Or this could be the beginning of a healthy pullback and give us a bunch of buying opportunities. So within this panic and within the pain of having to stop out of a number of things you might have been in, also look at a large sell-off like this as a good buying opportunity where you're going to see names that are on sale. And as I'm looking around, one of the names I was looking at that is looking to be at least somewhat on sale is Google. If you look at Google here, it's been pushing up and consolidating, and it is coming right into this point of control level, which could present a nice buying opportunity on a name that has been trending upwards. It is breaking that trend line a little, but it's coming right into that point of control level. and could be a good bounce going into Friday's session. And then a name that I'm looking at right now, which seems to be holding up pretty well, is CI. And you can see here on this 30-minute chart, we are playing within this range here. And, using these lows here, we're kind of right at it as our value area low here, right? We're coming into it, and then using these highs up here as kind of our value area high. Playing within that range at a $300 stock, that's a $4 range. And, I like the way this is setting up. It's actually has not broken down. It's one of the very few names that has not broken down. We can play this on an hourly squeeze. Momentum moving up other than today's candle here. See what the 78 looks like. So this squeeze and this pattern I like quite a bit. And I'll be watching to see how that reacts tomorrow morning. So staying calm in this kind of environment and making sure that you're looking for things that are on sale that are not completely breaking down might make for a nice bounce into Friday and the Monday session. But I hope everyone's had a good time off and has stayed safe in this pretty massive pullback, and is getting ready for Monday to come around where we'll all be back in the room and looking for fresh setups. So, like I said, hope you're all staying safe and take care out there, and we'll see you starting on Monday.